Here we are, lesson 2.3, estimating length. So try these. Name a metric unit and imperial unit you would use to estimate each measurement. So the height of a tree, well, I might use meters, and you might use feet. The width of a book, maybe inch or centimeter. Diameter of a golf ball, again you might use inch or centimeter. The distance from Winnipeg to Vancouver, you might use kilometers or miles. And these should be in the different columns here. Meters go with centimeters, go with kilometers. For the diameter of a golf ball, you might actually use millimeters, and you might use quarter inches or 1/16 of an inch, something like that. All right. To estimate length, you can compare it to a personal referent. A referent can be a length or distance that you can easily remember in either SI or imperial units. For example, 1 centimeter is about the width of your little finger. 1 foot is a little longer than your foot. List some SI reference based on everyday objects. So 1 millimeter might be, the thickness of a fingernail. Does that make sense? So not the width of your finger, but the thickness of the fingernail. Centimeter, that one might be the width of your finger. And you can name some other reference for 10 centimeters, 1 meter, 1 inch, 1 foot, and 1 yard. So here's an example. Estimate the length and width of a $5 bill using an imperial referent and a metric referent. Well, I might look at this and go, if you have a $5 bill, you can pull it out and actually do it. On here, you could say, well, it's about, let's say 8, let's get a pen here, 8 fingers wide, and long, and maybe 8, let's try that one again, 4 fingers, that way. In using reference in imperial metric, you might use inches, and you might use centimeters. So you might say this is, say, 6 inches long, and we're going like this, top to bottom, might be like 3 inches, and you can figure out for centimeters. Alright, and then you get into practice.